Getting a teaching or a service award for me and for what we're gonna receive today will mean three things. Tatlo lang po ang sasabihin ko ngayon. 3 T's. Talino, tama, at tuloy. Isa-isahin ko yan. Number 2, tama. Teachers, you are doing the right thing. This is not just a profession, but this is our vocation. If you've lasted for 5 or more years in the teaching profession, and you still feel happy with what you're doing, then indeed, this is your destiny. It is a God-given talent that you need to cherish, develop, and share. Just continue your endless quench for knowledge and the skills in your craft. Continue to teach minds, touch hearts, and inspiring the young of America. Continue to attend and invest on professional development programs and feel free to share your best practices with our colleagues. Tama ang ginagawa mo kasi napapansin ito ng iyong mga colleagues, administrators at ng mga magulang. Tama ang ginagawa mo kasi favorite ka ng mga students and your graduates even come back just to thank you. They even give you Starbucks gift cards. Di ba? Salamat sila. Tama ang ginagawa mo kasi tumataas ang test scores ng school dahil sa galing ng mga students mo. Amen. Tama ang ginagawa mo dahil kilala ka sa school bilang isang magaling na teacher. Tama ang ginagawa mo kasi students even invite you to be their Facebook friend. All these and more are testimonies that you are on the right track.